came in 2015 CSIR net. Limit x approaches to 0 1 by x and x to 2x e to power minus t square dt square. So what will be the limit of this when x approaches to 0? So what we do, we do the we we expand this function e to power minus t square like this. As we know what is the expansion of as we know what is the expansion of e to power minus x. So e to power minus x is 1 minus 1 minus x plus x square by factorial 2 minus x cube upon factorial 3. So just replace x by t square, so we will get this much. So we integrate term by term in here. So and the important thing is we are doing the term by term integration. So what is the condition we can do the term by term integration? It is not always possible to do the term by term integration, so there is some condition. Term by term integration. The condition is, suppose a sequence of function is defined over a closed interval a b to R, and for all n belongs to n, each f1 is इंटीग्रेबल. अगर हर एक हमारा जो फंक्शन है वो इंटीग्रेबल है, एंड इफ समेशन एफ एन converges to f uniformly, then if we integrate each function individually and take the summation, or if first we add all the function and take the integration, both are the same thing. Only when it satisfies the two conditions, the one is each function fn is integrable, and the second is this series of function converges to f uniformly. Only then we can interchange the sign of integration with the summation. So here what this series converges to e to power minus t square uniformly. So here we can do the term by term integration. Just integrate term by term and apply the limit, and it will become 2x, and this will become 8 x cube by 3 plus some other terms also, but we are not interested all those terms. So next is x, when x minus x cube, some again plus some other terms also, and just we solve it. You can see once we solve it and apply this limit, and we will get x will cancel out, यहाँ पे 1 हो जाएगा, and it will become x square, some x cube terms also. When you apply, x approaches to 0, and your final result will be 1. So this is the final answer.